Acer created the Predator 21S. They built a machine so heavy, so ridiculous that you cannot put the computer on your lap without risking double knee replacement surgery. Acer engineers looked at the standard laptop screens and laughed. They bent a 21-inch ultra-wide monitor, slapped the screen onto a keyboard, and called the final product portable. But Acer did not stop there. The engineers shoved two NVIDIA GTX 1080 graphics card inside the chassis. One graphics card gives you high frame rate. Two graphics cards give you a space heater. If you live in Antarctica, you don't need to spend extra money for eating. A normal person buys a laptop so they can work quietly at a coffee shop. If you bring the Predator 21S to a coffee shop, you do not just drink coffee. You take over the building. You claim territory. You became the mayor of Starbucks. The laptop weighs 20 pounds, but Acer executive knew 20 pounds did not provide enough suffering for the consumer. So, Acer included two massive power bricks. You need two separate wall outlets just to turn the machine on. When you plug this laptop in, your neighbor's light dim. The whole national grid collapse. How do you carry a 20-pound laptop with dual power supplies? You do not use a backpack. Acer packed this monster inside a military-grade hard-shell suitcase with heavy-duty wheels. When you walk through an airport, security guys do not ask you to take the laptop out of your bag. The guards immediately ask if you are transporting a nuclear launch course. Now, you might ask, how much money did Acer charge for this privilege? Acer demanded $9,000. For $9,000, you can buy a reliable used car. You can pay rent for an entire year. Or you can buy a laptop that NVIDIA makes completely obsolete in 3 years by releasing a new graphics card. Why did Acer do it? Did consumers ask for a 21-inch curved laptop? No. Did gamers demand a computer that require a rolling suitcase? Absolutely not. Acer built this machine purely for ego. The executives wanted to flex on every other tech company. They wanted Apple and Dell to look at the Predator 21S and feel intense fear. Acer manufactured exactly 300 units. They did not expect you to buy the laptop. They expected you to look at the computer, cry, and buy a cheaper Acer laptop instead. Let us examine the keyboard. Acer installed a full-size mechanical keyboard featuring Cherry MS switches. The keys clack so loudly if you type an email during a video meeting, your boss will fire you for noise pollution. Next to the keyboard, Acer added a trackpad. If you pull the trackpad out and flip it over, the trackpad becomes digital number pad. That feature actually shows brilliant engineering. But brilliant engineering does not justify a laptop that weighs more than a healthy toddler. Instead of a laptop, Acer gave us a bulldozer. If you ever find one of these 300 laptops in the wild, do not try to lift the machine. Just leave the laptop there. The laptop belongs to the earth now.